So today we are solving for k in 2 multiplied by k over 2 is equal to 2 over k multiplied by 2 over k. Okay. So please, if today is your first time of visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more excited and tricky questions together. Thank you for doing that. Now, k times k, we have k squared, and 2 times 2 is 4, which is equal to 2 times 2, we have 4, k times k, the same as k squared. From here, cross multiply, so you are going to get k squared multiplied by k squared, which is equal to 4 multiplied by 4. Okay, so we can rewrite this as k squared all squared, which is equal to 4 squared. Okay, so k squared minus 4 squared is equal to 0. Now, in algebra, we have a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b. Okay, so from here, our equation, we can rewrite it as this will be our a and this will be our b. Okay, so we have k minus k minus 4. So the k is k squared. So we have k squared minus 4, and then k squared plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so we have k squared minus 4 is equal to 0, and then k squared plus 4 is equal to 0. So let's solve this one first. So from here, we say that k squared is equal to 4. So we take square root of both sides. So this one, we're going to get k is equal to, so we have plus or minus 2. Let's solve this one too. We have k squared is equal to negative 4. So we take square root of both sides. Now, this will cancel this. So we have k is equal to, now this is square root of negative 4. So we can rewrite it as plus or minus square root of 4 multiplied by square root of negative 1. So our k is equal to square root of 4 is plus or minus 2. Then square root of square root of negative 1 is I. So now our k is equal to plus or minus 2i. Let's verify to see if our answers satisfy the equation. So let's test with the plus or minus 2 phase. Yeah, k multiplied by k 2 over 2 is equal to 2 on k multiplied by 2 on k. So now, when k is equal to 2, let's go. We have 2 over 2 multiplied by 2 on 2 is equal to 2 on 2 multiplied by 2 on 2. So this one will cancel this, cancel. So you get 1 here, get 1 here. So 1 is equal to 1. So it means that our k is equal to 2. Then let's test for negative 2. We have negative 2 on 2 multiplied by negative 2 on 2, which is equal to 2 over, so is equal to 2 over negative 2 multiplied by 2 over negative 2. So from here, get this one cancel, this one cancel. Negative 1 times 1 gets 1. Then this one too, this one cancel, this cancel. So negative 1 times negative 1, negative 1. So it is true that k is plus or minus 2. Now let's verify for k is equal to minus 2i or 2i. Now we have minus 2 2i on 2 multiplied by minus 2i on 2 is equal to 2 over minus 2i multiplied by 2 over minus 2i. So 2 over 2, so that's 2. So that's this. Now we have negative I times negative I, which is I. Okay, so negative I times negative, so we have negative positive I squared, which is equal to this one to the 1 times 1, which is 1 on negative I times negative I, and getting I squared. Now it's left with the positive 2i. So you have 2i on 2 multiplied by 2i on 2 is it equal to 2 over 2i multiplied by 2 over 2i. So this will cancel this will cancel. So we have I times I is I squared is it equal to this one to be 1 over I squared, like this. So from here, sorry, we have negative, so this one will be negative I and this one will be negative I, okay? So negative to be positive. So we are getting positive answers here. Sorry for that, guys. Now let's continue from here. So I squared, we are going to get negative 1 is equal to 1 over negative I. So negative 1 over negative I is the same as negative 1. So this is it. So it means that our answer, is k is equal to plus or minus 2 or k is equal to plus or minus 2i. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye.